Hello everyone, welcome to the Tohoku University MOOC entitled SHOKU-gaku, where we'd like to introduce and share the concept of SHOKU-gaku, or transdisciplinary science of eating, food and nutrition for health and well-being, with all of you over the next 5 weeks. SHOKU-gaku is a novel concept that integrates oral science with food science and nutrition. In 2020, Tohoku University Graduate School of Dentistry, in collaboration with Tohoku University Graduate School of Agricultural Science and Miyagi University School of Food Industry Sciences, introduced the concept of SHOKU-gaku. SHOKU-gaku is a new Japanese word that combines shoku and gaku. Gaku is a Japanese word meaning field of study or discipline, so SHOKU-gaku indicates a discipline of shoku. Then what is shoku? Shoku is another Japanese word encompassing all aspects of eating, including all function, food, and nutrition. However, as there are no suitable English word equivalent for this comprehensive meaning, we prefer retaining the name SHOKU-gaku, which can be translated as the transdisciplinary science of eating, food, and nutrition, or TFON in short. The goal of SHOKU-gaku is simple yet profound: to achieve lifelong health and well-being through correct eating and proper food choices. In this 5-week lecture series, we will introduce the basic concept and underlying knowledge of SHOKU-gaku, as well as our current practices and the future of this field. This is made possible by the Tohoku University with unique integration of concepts in the life science, social sciences, and humanities disciplines. Weeks 1 and 2, food and oral functions. In week 1, we will cover the basics of oral morphology and function. In week 2, we will explore food rheology, the microbiome and its metabolic functions of the oral cavity and gastrointestinal tract, the development of oral function, aging, and food. Weeks 3 and 4, food and health. In week 3, we will discuss food and nutrition, as well as the relations between food and various diseases. In week 4, we will present a multidisciplinary view of food and health, combining medical and dental perspectives with data science and psychology. Week 5, the future of SHOKU-gaku. In the final week, we will explain the future of SHOKU-gaku, including future food materials such as insect-based foods and the latest food technologies such as 3D food printers. Stay tuned for the upcoming lectures on SHOKU-gaku.